Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your host KZ, and today I am just sharing my review of the Ray-Ban first generation Meta Facebook glasses, which I'm wearing right now. So let's get into it. Okay, so as you know, I am a guy who keeps all the boxes very properly. I'm already wearing the glasses, but I just wanted to show what came in the box. And yeah, I think I did an unboxing video, but not for this channel, so I'm just sharing this video here. So this box, really sturdy, really nice box. Love the box, still have it. This one says Ray-Ban Facebook, but now the app has been updated. Now they're called Rayban Meta. So now, at first I used to connect these glasses with Facebook View app. Now I connected with Meta View app. So in fact, no, even the latest one is now a Meta AI. So the Meta AI app has all the features like ChatGPT and can get connected to glasses as well. So this is now a version of Meta AI glasses. So let's see what's in the box. First off, as we open, we come with this. It has some scuffs because I've been using this for a while. I got these when these were not even a thing. So yeah, some scuffs there. This is the charging case. All I have to do is put my glasses inside here and they start charging. Love these glasses. What else was in the box? So yeah, even it says Facebook View app. Then it changed to Meta View app. Now it's the Meta AI app. I didn't even open this one before. What's in it? Okay, I unboxed it a long time ago. Oh, it came with the bag. I never used the bag. Oh, I didn't even know it came with the bag. I'm so dumb. But it's okay. I don't think so it's going in. I think this is just for the glasses itself. But I'm unboxing this bag. I've had these glasses for over 2 years now. I've had these for a while. What else? Again, instructions, warranty, and everything. Everything is in here. I'll put this back. I don't think so. I'll just use the case, the bag just for glasses. If it was for this, makes sense. But I will not, just because this is the case. I've been keeping my glasses in this for a while. Okay, let's close this box again. It's the USB-C cable is still in the box. Brand new. So the Ray-Ban, I've been using my other USB-C cords to charge it. So I'll just put this back, but now I know that I have another good quality USB-C cable. So I'll put everything back. I will keep this back inside. Yeah, it's a really nice box. Even on the tag you can see this Ray-Ban. This was the really cool. I think the new ones don't have such nice packaging. I haven't bought those one yet, so I can't comment, but amazing. My experience with these glasses, amazing. I've been using these glasses since these were not even a thing, and people were like, oh, what's that? Oh, you can record? Good thing about these ones is that they have the separate light when you're recording. The quality is not very nice, but it's okay. You cannot go Instagram live on these one, but you can record. Everything else are the same features that we have in the latest Meta glasses, but these ones don't go Instagram live directly. Obviously the video with the camera quality is slightly lower, but I don't mind it because I don't shoot a lot of videos with this camera anyways. I have my phone, I have my cameras that I use for content creation, and my Osmo Pocket 3, which is amazing. So I don't mind it. I don't mind the low quality. It's just for anything that I want to capture. I'm not carrying my phone or anything. I can just quickly capture, and answering calls, reading messages, even WhatsApp calls. The thing about the Apple Watch is you cannot answer WhatsApp calls on the Apple Watch because you can only answer calls that are coming through FaceTime or directly on your phone. So WhatsApp calls don't work on my watch, but this guy does support WhatsApp because, again, it's the WhatsApp is part of the Meta universe, right? So they have added that feature, which is the feature I love because I work in multiple countries and most of the people are calling me on WhatsApp. That's why I love these glasses as headphones as well too, so I can talk. Will I upgrade? I don't think so. I have a need to upgrade. I don't need to go Instagram live. I don't want to. I'm not into camera quality of these, so I don't think so I will be upgrading. As far as the battery life is concerned, I would say they last well enough. If I'm not recording, I think I have recorded the most 30 minutes of recording the most, and they were working. The only thing I am concerned a little bit about is when it's humid and it's hot, they do tend to get hot, and then they say the temperature is high, glass is shutting down. That's fine, but sometimes if I know the temperature is going to be hot, I just turn them on because I have this button inside. I just turn them off. But that's the only issue that I have encountered. Other than that, these are great headphones, especially for WhatsApp calling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and for all content about everything that I explore, all the equipment that I have, please stay tuned, turn on that notification to get notification whenever I'm uploading any new videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.